How to fix slow internet on Android device. Let's get started. First, you'll need to restore your Android phone. It clears temporary glitches. Unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If using Wi-Fi, connect to another network if available. If using mobile data, toggle airplane mode on, wait for a few minutes, and then toggle it off. Next up, clear cache for network-heavy apps such as Chrome, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. I'm going to do it for YouTube. Press and hold on it and click on the I option. Now click on the option storage. Click on clear cache and confirm it. Next up, disable battery saver, VPN, and data saver. VPNs can slow down browsing. Battery saver may throttle background activity. Next up, update Android and your apps. For that, launch settings. Click on the option software update. If any updates are available, just update it. Next up, update all the apps. Likewise, reset network settings. For that, head back. At the top right, you're gonna find that search icon. Click on that and type in reset. Now click on the option reset. Select reset network settings and go through the process. This will erase Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairings, and APN settings. Lastly, use apps like Speed Test or Fast.com to check real speed. If speed is low on all devices, the problem may be your ISP, not your phone. And that's it. These are some fixes for slow internet on Android device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.